Hey guys, it's Matt. Welcome to SpeedTutor, and it's towards the end of April, and I like to do a video which sums up all the best bundles, savings, deals, environments, everything you can find across game dev and Unity to make the best savings and even get loads of stuff for free. So whether you need realistic or whether you need stylized, I'll run through everything and make sure it's down in the description so you always have all the details that you need. And if you do like these types of videos, be sure to throw a like on this video and make sure you're subscribed because it helps me out massively. And of course, if you're looking for an unbelievable amount of free assets, I've got a complete playlist with every single month I've ever done with the free assets for every month, and there'll be a one coming from May very, very soon. I'll put the link to that in the description. There is a free asset this week, which is called the 4400 RPG Icon Pixel Art Set, which is normally worth $19. You can get it for absolutely free. Buy now or add this to your basket, and you go to checkout and use the code CraftPix2025. You can get this for free. And comment down below if this one is actually not the right one and there's a different one, but I'll put the link below to the free publisher asset so you don't miss out on that. You can check out Unity's brand new spring sale with all the flash deals, the 50% off, and all the best tools. And I update my website every single day to keep you up to date with exactly what comes out on the flash deals, which are up to 70% off on those. And I have a full video showcasing some of the assets that I think are great to get hold of at this very moment, because you can make some absolute massive savings on the store if you're looking for that, and the full video will be down below too. Especially great assets like Hot Reload, Cozy Weather 3, Atmospheric Height Fog, and loads of cool environments that will really make your game look that little bit extra awesome. Unity do still also have on the asset store their Quick Start Mega Bundle, which come with 20 different assets at $19.99, and these include the FPS Framework, Scene Switcher, Procedural Walk Animations, RPG Farming Kit, the Toon Tiny RTS, Flare Engine with a load of 2D tools, the Low Poly Cartoon House, the Multiplayer FPS System, Smart Lighting for 2D, the Cartoon GUI Pack, and the 2D Pixel. And I also do have a video all about this one if you want to check out all those assets individually, but it's a great bundle with some amazing assets in here. If you're looking for something more cartoon, more stylized, there's a big bundle of Unity assets here, which is around £19 or $25 for 42 different packs. And you can see on this webpage here, you can see all the assets that are suitable across both engines. And as I scroll down, you can see various characters, different cartoon bases, different props in different scenes. And these range from Metropolis, Stone Age, sci-fi cities, castle cities, bug cities, Middle Age, Texas, sci-fi, medieval, zombie cities for themed characters in this style. Now there is a Supreme Unity and Unreal Engine game dev bundle with some incredibly realistic assets. These are not done by LEARTES Studios, these are the B4 Studios asset bundles with different themes in each, with a supremely high quality, suitable across all pipelines in every single one of these, with loads of modular environments, hundreds of unique assets in each. And this is around £23 or $28 roughly, and the environments that are specific to this Unity bundle are the Western Desert Town, the Asian Dynasty environment, the Victorian Mansion, the Persepolis Empire, the Medieval Nordic Village, the Medieval Viking Dark Village, the Bio-Horror and Sci-Fi, the Sci-Fi Engineers Room, Container District, Ancient Desert Slums, and there's various other magic abilities, visual effects, and other particles for lasers, toon particles, sci-fi shields, and a few more in there too. Also, one that's just turned up is the Complete 2D Assets Mega Bundle, which is another one on Humble, which has 90 in the biggest set, 90 item bundle, which is £15 or around $20. With characters, meshes, models, and other stuff, you can see different themes and pixel art sets with 16 by 16 tile sets for house interiors, villages, fantasies, modern cities, blacksmiths, dreams, deserts, winter villages, castles, dungeons, and so many different characters and other different pixel art sets. And you can scroll all the way down here to see, even with cutesy little farming icons and sets and other music packs in here. And a lot of these are actually available on the Unity Asset Store as well, and I'll put some footage in the background so you can check it out and see. There is an audio arsenal bundle with loads of different sound effects, soundscapes, music packs, fantasy music, everything that you can imagine, from ambient to fantasy to heroes and beyond. And this is around £15 or $20 for 36 different bundles with loads and loads and loads of packs. And there's two bundles from LEARTES Studios if you're looking to get hold of some environments. These ones are the Space Nova and the Star Nova pack. The Star Nova pack has a smaller percentage, and I do have coupon codes for each of these to get a massive reduction. So on this one, which is the Star Nova, which comes with 5 different environments across the Pirate Tavern, the Colonial Covenant Church, the Souls-like Throne Room, the Sorcerer's Hut, and the Container Pot, and the Star Nova bundle, you can use SN40 for additional money off. And also with the Space Nova bundle, you can use SN70 for an additional $70 off this bundle with 16 different packs in here. So you've got the Carnival environment, the Stylized Paradise, the Asian Fishing Feudal Japan Castle, the Stylized Castle, the Modular Stylized Cyberpunk Street, the Ramen Restaurant, which is one I don't think I've ever seen before, the Countryside House, which I feel is new, the Azure Hillside, the Italian Alleyway, Modular English Mansion, the King Arthur Castle, the Future Slums, the Stylized Low Poly Cyberpunk City, the Abandoned Horror Mansion, and the Stylized Lost Cave environment. So all of these bundles and all of the details will be down in the description so you don't miss out, and I'll put all the codes so you make the best savings that you possibly can. And if you do like all these rundowns of all the information, do be sure to throw a like on this video because it helps me out massively. And a big thank you to everybody who comes to watch. Massive thank you to all my patrons. A big thank you to Peter Steiner, Very Shooter, and Party of 10 for their amazing support. Thank you to everybody else for coming to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Cheers.